Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the device model and Android version so you know the exact menu labels. Once done, open Settings, navigate to Accessibility, and then Visibility Enhancements. You do this because Samsung sometimes moves visual toggles by build. Make sure to also pull down Quick Settings. If a color inversion tile exists, you can disable negative colors instantly from there. If you see a toggle named Color Inversion or Negative Colors, leave Settings open for the next step. Now, locate Color Inversion or Negative Colors and switch it off. This is the direct fix. If you don't see it, go deeper. Open Vision Enhancements and then Color Adjustments, since some builds label it differently. Once there, check Display Right Arrow Screen Mode and Samsung Labs for experimental color options that can mimic inversion. You should observe colors returning to normal immediately. If not, toggle dark mode off and on to refresh GPU composition, because rendering changes sometimes need that nudge. To finish, reboot your phone to ensure the change applies system-wide, and then check several apps to confirm colors are normal. If one app still shows negative colors, clear that app's cache or force stop and reopen it. Some apps cache shaders. One key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode. If colors are normal there, a third-party app caused inversion, uninstall recent apps. If problems continue, update the OS or reset accessibility settings to defaults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.